Greetings, greetings, greetings. We're really deep on your mind right now. What God wants or where you want. Think about it. And while you're thinking about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what are going on right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 16 from verse 21 to verse 28. From that time there, Jesus started making followers them know, saying, "I have to go to Jerusalem." And the elder, the head priest, and law teacher them are going to make him suffer a whole heap of sin. They might kill him. But 3 days after that, he will come back alive. So Peter take him one side and start raise him up. He say something like that. "Lord, me pray say God never make something like that happen. This mustn't happen to you." But Jesus turned to Peter and said, "Go away from me, Satan. You this a block up my waist so. Cause you not think about the sitting them where God want. A humble what people want. Depend your mind." Then Jesus said to all of him followers them, say, if somebody want to turn one of my followers them have to forget about what them want. Take up them cross and follow me. Somebody will want to save them life, I go lose it. But anybody will lose them life, sake of me, them are going to get to find them life. Cause what good it a go do somebody if they get the whole world, but they lose their life? Cause the man where God pick, I go come with the angel them, and him a go have power where come from him Father. Him a go give everybody where them forget based on the sitting them where them do. Me a tell you this, and I true me a talk. Some of you will turn up yourself, now go dead, before you see the man where God pick a come rule as king. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.